Mic check 1 2 1 2. So we are back.
We're back
with another video. We are doing Cross Spirits booster box. Check out our other videos. We've done a lot of Dragon Ball now. We have everything you could possibly think of. So hit that like, hit that subscribe. So let's get busy. See what we find. We're looking for those rare cards. So we're looking for those God packs.
Can the box top please be another?
We're looking for a God booster box. Doesn't exist, but wouldn't it be nice if we just open it? It's just nothing but chrome cards.
What is that?
This is Gohan, son?
Is that an SPR?
Look at that Gohan, man.
That shit looks crazy. Tell me that's an SPR.
Probably. I can't see that little man.
Let me see that. Let me see that. Wow! It's an SPR!
Damn, fam.
Wow!
Damn, fam.
Wow! Please.
They like you. They like you.
Please let this box bless me.
The Dragon Ball gods like you.
Oh.
Hiya! Hiya! This is
Oh, tell me that's another SPR.
dude.
Tell me that's another SPR.
That's some stretch on that kick. What that? What that?
Is that an SPR? Is this an SPR? Oh, it's an SR. Okay.
My man. Do. You got it, buddy. Oh, hiya! Well, we got this before.
SR, I believe. Yeah.
Giving that chop. Whoa. Oh, Son Goku.
Oh, that's another SPR.
Nice, man.
Which we've gotten before.
Dude, man, I think like sports cars need to pay attention to how they print it here. Because I feel like, dude, it's like sick, right? Like sports cars, like half the card is off the card. Like, come on. But I mean, the quality is like so nice, like the layers and stuff. Imagine if like sports cards did something like this too, on top of like, you know, the other shiny stuff. Ooh, flawless attacker.
Hitman.
Hitman. Flawless. Flawless attacker.
He's an assassin. Oh, a leader.
A leader card. I just want to get it out before I forget. Alright, let's go. Oh.
Right.
Hoy?
Yep. From the Tapion movie.
Oi. 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 What's the dudes from wrestling? Oos. Oos.
Oh, it's Little Oos.
Little Oos. Oos. It's amazing though how, like, if you do that when you hit, how much power it generates. Oh. Damn it. That pack just did not want to let go of me. Oh.
Another Majin Buu.
Oh, GT Krill.
GT Krill.
Oh, dropping them spoilers, kid. Earmuffs. Earmuffs. Look at that. Yeah, fam. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get that stuff. So this is a leader card. Same exact one. Alright, so let's do this. Oh, that's the... Yeah, we pulled this bad boy. Now, do those cards have variations of the super rare or whatever, secret rare?
No, it's really just the...
The secret rares are completely different than anything
No,
else.
secret rares would be like an alternate art of a certain card.
Of a certain card. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. but not all of them will have a secret rare.
Yeah, no.
Just the key characters.
Yep. Just the, I want to say some of the SPRs would have a secret rare. Or an SR would have,
Or an SR.
Could also be a secret rare.
Yeah, let's go.
Hercule. Full name has been canonized to be Hercule Satan.
Not Hercules. Hercules. It looks like Hercules a little bit. What's this?
What's that?
Oh,
wow. SR.
I feel we've pulled this card before.
Yeah, I think we've gotten it before.
Looks familiar.
Nice SR.
You go, boy. You go. Oh, Dispo.
We've gotten before.
Dispo.
Vispo.
Dispo. This Poe. I'll diss your Poe.
Come on, let me one more SPR and an SCR real quick.
Let's go, fam. Let's go, fam. Hiya.
And the Brawler.
Hiya. Mina was on a kick of like kicking, going hiya for some reason. I don't know where she got it from, but really funny. Leader
Oh,
card.
got something back there.
Trunks. Ooh, got some shine.
Some Gohan.
This is a nice card.
It's a nice card.
Then we got ooh,
SR again. The same
still dope, man.
18.
Still dope. Listen, if you don't want it, bro, I'll take it. I'll take it. I have no problem taking that card. Listen, man, if you don't want these cards, I'll take them.
Man.
I'll give them a home.
Oh, another Gohan.
Yeah, go home. A lot more repeats in this one than normal, huh?
Yeah.
Actually, look. The number's number 3.
Made a good cover there, buddy boy.
Another leader.
Another leader card.
The non-hollow card.
Whoa!
Tien Shinhan.
Nice.
17.
Alright, we're coming down to the wire. Hey, past the wire.
There.
Ooh, we pulled this too.
Majin Buu.
Yeah.
Fat Buu.
Fat boo. Fat boo boo. Let's go.
Frieza.
Oh, that's another. Oh, yeah, we pulled this guy.
Oh, is that an SPR?
And it might be. It's got the dragon behind him.
Little Goku.
Little
GT.
Goku. Little Goku.
This is a regular SR. In this box.
And there's the regular card of that guy.
Tapion, but I don't have this one, and that is an SPR.
Nice.
The hero revives so when he hands his sword over to Trunks. That's how Future Trunks got his sword.
Oh, okay.
Uncanonized. Decanonized, actually.
Really?
Never happened.
Interesting. You got the touch.
Yeah, SCR.
Okay, let's go.
Give me an SCR, please.
Ah, that's your boy.
That boy Krillin.
That boy Krillin. We pulled that guy too, I think. All right, last 2 packs. Let's go. Let's go. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Let us know in the comments what you guys think of this.
Leader.
I'm sure we'll do more. Whether you want us to or not. Oh, there she is.
So until I get that secret rare,
I don't think.
You getting
Let's
this.
see if we get that last pack magic. Last pack magic. Oh man.
Hercules.
Photo. Photo.
That is funny.
No secret.
That is funny. No secret rare. So these are the notable mentions. Yeah, these are beautiful pieces of artwork, I must say.
SR.
So we got some nice hits.
Got an SPR right there. Got 2 SPRs. And then the box topper, which was an SPR.
Nice.
The box.
So hit that like, hit that subscribe, and we will catch you at the next one.